Assalamualaikum friends, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल CSS एंड अदर प्रिपरेशंस। उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सब लोग खैरियत से होंगे और दुआ है कि हमेशा खैरियत से रहें। सो फ्रेंड्स, अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर न्यू हैं तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिएगा ताकि मेरे आने वाली न्यू वीडियोस आप तक पहुँच सकें। लेट्स स्टार्ट वीडियो विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम। Friends, today we will learn the capital of countries that mostly asked in PPSC exams and other exams. The capital of Turkey is Ankara. The capital of Uganda is Kampala. The capital of China is Beijing. The capital of Kuwait is Kuwait City. The capital of Malaysia is Kuala Lumpur. The capital of USA is Washington DC. The capital of Spain is Madrid. The capital of Italy is Rome. The capital of Australia is Canberra. The capital of Bulgaria is Sofia. The capital of Israel is Jerusalem. The capital of Iraq is Baghdad. The capital of Japan is Tokyo. The capital of UK is London. The capital of New Zealand is Wellington. The capital of Poland is Warsaw. The capital of Sri Lanka is Jayawardenepura, Kotti and Colombo. The capital of Indonesia is Jakarta. The capital of Germany is Berlin. The capital of Egypt is Cairo. The capital of Angola is Luanda. The capital of Chad is N'Djamena. The capital of Finland is Helsinki. The capital of Kenya is Nairobi. The capital of Monaco is Monacovilli. The capital of Maldives is Male. The capital of Romania is Bucharest. The capital of Slovakia is Bratislava. The capital of Yemen is Sanaa. The capital of India is New Delhi. The capital of Jamus is Kingston. The capital of Philippines is Manila City. The capital of Chile is Santiago. The capital of Switzerland is Bern. The capital of Kazakhstan is Nur Sultan, changed in 2019. The capital of Netherlands is Amsterdam. The capital of Lebanon is Beirut. The capital of Taiwan is Taipei. The capital of UAE is Abu Dhabi. The capital of Sudan is Khartoum. The capital of Uzbekistan is Tashkent. The capital of Sweden is Stockholm. The capital of North Korea is Pyongyang. The capital of South Korea is Seoul. Capital of South Sudan is Juba. The capital of Brazil is Brasilia. The capital of Afghanistan is Kabul. The capital of Azerbaijan is Baku. The capital of Pakistan is Islamabad.